Hello everyone, welcome and welcome back to my channel. This is an unboxing video. I'll be showing you the product that I'll be using on this channel very soon. Let's start with this right here. I'm not sure what this is exactly, but let's go ahead and take a look. Oh Lord, I have notes. This one says, hi beauty, you may not remember me, but you did my hair a few times last year and then I had to quit my job because of my severe pervert boss. LOL. Shaking my head. Anyway, I remember we were talking about spiritual things and you said the witness stopped coming to your house. Well, I haven't forgotten about you and your family and still pray and for your dad. Well, currently my dad just passed away. She probably doesn't know. I picked up same things for you in Creole since okay. I see now. She's a Jehovah Witness. So she sent me some book. That's nice. And they are in my language. Amazing. Thank you very much. Oh, exactly in Creole. Thank you. Thank you. Yeah, I was telling her that those Jehovah Witnesses used to come and they stopped coming. They said, you have a Bible teacher book, which that's amazing. Her name is Kimby. Well, thank you, Kimby, if you're watching this video. Thank you very much. Now I have a Bible in my language. Thank you very much. Oh, okay. Est-ce que la Bible toujours utile nous aujourd'hui? Oh. Huh. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. So this was not business related. It was something else. Thank you very much, Kim. Next, let's try this box. Let's see what's inside of it. Okay, this is products from Nia's Natural. She's on Etsy. Her Instagram is Sparkle Creation. She's been sending me product already. Oh, there you go. Here's her Instagram. Yeah, you should be familiar with her product by now. This one is a 3-style hairspray. What does this do? Revitalize, refresh, and rehydrate. Okay. This one is coconut mango soften. Okay, this is for the skin. This is for the skin as well. Oatmeal milk and honey. Oh, nice. And this is for the skin. Ooh, let me smell that. It smells great. Thank you very much, Nia's Natural. She's on Instagram at Sparkle Creation. I'll make sure I link her in the info box below. Let's see, what are these now? Let's see what those are. Pure Goddess hair butter. Okay, this is for hair. Let's smell it. Smell like shea butter. Oh yeah, it does have shea butter on it. Let's see what she's saying this time. The Pure Goddess hair sealant butter and damp hair and do a blowout. Okay, you will love the result. Also the stretch or shine. Hopefully I read everything right. Thank you very much, Nia's Natural. Thank you very much. One of the products that I use a lot from her is this. She sent me a lot of it, so I still have a lot of it. I use this flaxseed moisturizing cream from her. I've also used this. She sent me a lot, so this is brand new. I haven't touched this yet. What else she sent me? Yeah, I just finished this. I used this oil on my client. Thank you very much, Knees Natural. I appreciate all your product. I'll make sure I link your business in the info box below. She's a Black-owned business on Etsy and Instagram. Okay, let me hurry up. I don't want my video to be too long. Let me start with this now. I need to hurry up. I don't want my video to be 10 minutes long. Let's see what is, okay. This is the, oops, hold on. Okay. This is the model head. Let's see what it says. She said 100% virgin Afro kinky human hair, locks and braid. Let's see, 12-inch. What is that? Okay, that's her address. TheLoggedIn.com. That's the website to get the model head. Let's see how she looks like. Oh, ooh, okay. Some Afro hair. Yep. It feels just like Afro hair. So this wig is perfect to practice braids. Look at her. I like her lips color. Okay, I'll be using this head very soon. Stay tuned. It's from TheLoggedIn.com. I think that's the length of the wig that she has, probably. Okay, stay tuned for this. I'll be using this very soon. Okay, let's check the hair. This hair is from Feel Beauty. It's 3 boxes of hair. Let me hurry up and open all of them. Let's see what this is. Okay. I'll just look at one pack because it's the same thing in one box. This is some beautiful color. This is color 30. Island Twist 18-inch color 30. Oh, this is pretty. This is very pretty. Oh, thank you very much, Feel Beauty, for sending this hair. I'll make sure I link Shop Feel Beauty in the info box below. Let's look at this box and see what's inside of it. Okay, I've used this hair already. This is the Remedy Curl. I wanted some for myself, so I asked for some. They sent it. Thank you very much, Feel Beauty. I've also used this hair, which is the Kima Cologne Lodge 20-inch 1B. I wanted some for myself too. They sent it. Thank you very much, Feel Beauty. Oh, they sent a lot. Wait a minute. Oh, that's a lot. Thank you very much, Feel Beauty. And stay tuned to see this hair. I've used both of them already. Like, what is this? Oh. This is the, okay, this is an edge control from Feel Beauty. Extra firm hold. They should have this on the website. So check shopfeelbeauty.com. Oh, this one smells great. Check shopfeelbeauty.com to check out this edge trimmer. This one smells great. Wow. Thank you very much, Feel Beauty. Let's see what else they sent. Okay, just the hair that I've asked for. Now let's check the last box. Now let's check this box. Okay, this is the last box we're checking. Okay, I went through all the hair in the box. I found a lot of curls pattern. This one is Ocean Wave 18-inch. This is a new brand, so this is new hair from Shopfield Beauty. This is the Ocean Wave 18-inch, very pretty, not as curly. This is Ocean Wave. Okay, hold on. This is the wet curly, which I've already opened. Okay, the wet curly is very curly, very light too. Wet curly 18-inch. This is Island Twist 18-inch. This is very pretty. I like that. Island Twist 18-inch. This is Disco Curl. Let me see. Yeah, this is Disco Curl. I've already opened this. This is very pretty. They always set it. They also set it in black. Disco Curl. And this is Deep Wave. Didn't I just check the? No, this is Deep Wave. Very, very pretty. Okay, that's it. So thank you very much to Phil Beauty for sending all this hair. You'll be seeing all of them on this channel, so stay tuned. Thank you very much for subscribing and watching this video. I'll see you on my next one.